Hi, this is Dean's blocks. This material is called Dean's blocks. It can be used to teach many concepts in mathematics. Today we are going to use this to learn place value. So get children to familiarize with the material. So you have small cubes here, many small cubes. So first get them to use this. Ask them to count these cubes and tell them to give a particular quantity. Give them say 2. Okay, 1 and 2, then 13, 23, 24. So let them count and then give it. So they're very familiar with this. After that, show them this rod and tell them to line up these cubes along the rod. Okay, so they can line up like this. Ask them to how many count the number of cubes it takes to make one full rod. Okay, when they count, it is actually 10, and they both look the same. And if they count in the rods, they can feel 10 small cubes. So this is equivalent to having 10 small cubes. At this time, tell them the cubes are called units, and the rods can be called as tens because 10 units make one rod. Okay. Now give them a number, say 8. So they will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Give them say 13. So this is right. Give them 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now introduce a concept called change game, where since they know that 10 of these make one rod, get them to exchange 10 of them. Get them to exchange 10 of them. Put 10 here back, 10 cubes back, and take one 10 rod. It is same as taking 10 small cubes. So now they can see that there is one rod and then three small cubes. Now this is 13. 1, 10, and 3 units. Now this is when you could introduce the concept of place value. So 1 would actually not just be 1. The value of it would be 10 because of the place it takes. And then start giving them numbers bigger than this, say 34. 34 is 3 tens and 4 units. So children have to start doing like this. You could give a bowl to keep these. Today, just for the sake of video, I kept it on the uh, table. Okay. So once this is done, they are familiar with units and tens. You can move further and then keep 10 of these rods. Keep 10 of these rods and then make up 100. So keep the 10 rods on 100 and see that they are same, and see that they are the same quantity. It is the same quantity. So instead of using 10 rods, you could just use 100s. Okay. Now, so these plates are called 100 plate. Now start giving them bigger numbers. Say 123. So they take 100, and then they take 20, two rods, two tens, and three units. Okay, then 70. So 70 would be seven tens. So all they have to do is take the rods. Right? So give them questions like this. Sorry, I mixed it up. After that, let them get to build 10 of these. Say 300 would be 100, 200, 300, then 400, 500, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plates. 10 plates together. Now, what do they make? What does it make together? Makes a 10 hundreds would be 1000. Okay, same as 1000. So you could compare it, touch and feel, and count the numbers here too, and understand that these two are same. Having 10 plates of 100, having 10 hundreds is same as having 1000 cube. This is a big cube. So now you've introduced the place value up to 1000. So you could give them questions like, show me how to do 1245. So the big cube is 1000, 200 would be two plates, two hundreds, 40 would be four rods, and 5 would be five small cubes. So this is how place value can be understood very easily through activities.